Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Good morning. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Wow, traffic here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. You know, anywhere you are, I hope you're good. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So yes, I'm on my way. So this is the day. You know, I'm on my way heading to the airport. You know, to pick up the nurses. You know, so they're coming in. You know, loads of them. So it's not only me. You know, we're gonna pick them up with other vehicles as well. So that also is going to be there because it's more numbers this trip around than before. You know, so it's more nurses this time. You know, so yes, so good. You know, we're good. I will give thanks, you know, for the support that's coming in. So guys, I'm just asking you guys always, please remember to be mindful. You know, always remember to put the likes, put the thumbs up, you know, because that's what helps, you know, the algorithm, you know, with Kino Life in Jamaica. So whenever you do so, just please, before you start watch, just remember to put the thumbs up, you know. So this is the second year running, you know, for the nurses them coming back to Jamaica, you know, to give some support in the health where it's concerned, and really give thanks and really appreciate it, you know, because the first one was a success and this one is going to be even a bigger success, you know, because it's going to be more that added to it, you know, and also the pediatrician that's coming in, you know, so also the kids them can get them dental checks, you know, adult also, which is, that's a huge advantage from the last time, you know. So yeah, so we're stepping up, we keep evolving, so great moments ahead, you know. I say step by step, in life we all have to creep, you know. So I want to give a big shout out to everyone there in Canada, everyone there in America, you know. I think a big shout out in the UK, yeah, Jamaica, all over the world that send the support. Same here, thank you guys so much, you know. So yes, so everyone is excited, you know. I definitely want to see what it's going to be like, you know. Hopefully everything is a success, you know, with the Almighty in place. So we know that everything will definitely be a success, and we give thanks, you know. So it's nothing but love alone. So it feels good to be back, you know. Well, you know, in Kingston there wasn't no damage, you know, caused by Hurricane Melissa, you know, not what I've seen so far, you know, but all the damage is done in the west side, you know, Westmoreland side, countryside. So as I said, guys, I will be heading them side to give some aid, you know, whenever we kind of cross the line with finish off with this health fair and everything, and then we gather up all the support we can get so we can just make ends meet down there, you know. So that's what our plan is. But you know, I just came back, you know, I have to take my time, you know, getting settling and just getting back into doing the work, you know, because I cannot just go do it and then bombard with so much thing at the same time. So I have to just get one thing out the way and then we head on after that, you know. So hope and pray, you know, asking for the health and strength, you know. We need the guidance also on this journey, you know. I'm saying everything will take time. This journey is not going to really, it's not a quick fix, you know, by giving aid. So we literally take time and see how best we can give our assistance where it's all concerned, you know. So we all have to come on board and see what we can get done, you know. So that is the way forward. So let's take you on this journey. So blessed love, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, the thing goes, your boy Keynote. Love, blessed love, dream team, one team. So stay tuned. Peace. look guys, I just arrived here. And they say they land, they just land, so they're gonna take a time to come outside. And this and some of the nurses come on different flights as well too. So I think they came on 2 or 3 different flights. So we have to wait when everyone literally come off and everyone organized before we move. So guys, also I want to give a big shout out to see I'm wearing this t-shirt Kaiser. Alright, let me turn the camera around. Make sure you guys can see. So guys, this t-shirt I'm wearing, it said Kaiser. So I have to give a shout out to Kaiser. You can check them out on Instagram. Nice, it's simple. I like the quality as well too. So you can check them out on Instagram. They call Kaiser. So I'm gonna show you the Instagram page. You can see it right here. So just give them a check out. You can go and check out their merch and what they've got. But I like the quality. Yesterday I was wearing the white one. So now today I'm wearing the black one. So it's called Kaiser. So there's nothing in the back and this one, but I got the next one that's got printed in the back as well too. So this one is really, really good. I like it. I like the quality of the t-shirt as well. Yeah, so yeah, check them out. Kaiser, big up yourself, Kaiser, all the way in Brampton. So that's where we met as well too. So big up the family as well, because the family always watching Key Life in Jamaica. And thank you guys so much for watching, each and every one. So let's go wait and see. And the nurses them to come out. So we here. So quite interesting. A lot of people is here already. Airport looks so packed. I thought people would be running away from Jamaica, but it seems like everyone is coming back home. Like literally, everyone is coming back home. Nobody now run from Jamaica. When the sun hotter than a lava. Look at the airport in the morning here. Hello.
What's up?
Good day.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. Eddie.
Yes, sir.
President in the building, guys. So the president there. President in the building. So Mr. Charming, so it's long.
Yeah, very inside.
Okay. President is here. Did you speak today, Flanagan?
Dr. Flanagan?
Yeah.
Not since 2 days.
So as you can see, there's a lot of people literally coming home. So the airport is literally packed.
Come out early still.
You come out early? What time of
Me
flight?
come out, my flight line 121.
So you're on the same flight with Miss Shami?
No,
Different?
no, I come on Spirit. And by the time me reach out here, so because you know what I do when I come, I like my passport stamp. Everybody rush to the kiosk.
Oh.
Nobody not go get me. So me was the first person in life to go get my passport
stamp.
So we get to
Stamp quick and fast.
I'm gone. And then by the time we come out, we reach the baggage section. We still never do the bag. The bag never comes, so we still will have to wait. So we was just waiting.
Alright guys, I'm so amazed, there's so many people here today, literally, coming out they're on Spirit as well. There's like 3 different airlines coming in today, 3 different ones, and they're all coming from Fort Lauderdale, right?
Fort Lauderdale, Orlando. We're coming from Orlando, and a couple from Atlanta.
Okay.
And some actually flew into Montego Bay, and they're taking the nuts from over.
Okay. Oh, so Montego Bay is open right now, right?
Yes, they flew into Montego Bay.
Okay, so here that's right now Kingston Airport here, Namamali Airport full. Everyone's literally, I heard a lot of people left Jamaica, but the more left or the more come. Nobody now run left them place. So it's good to see people coming back home. Boom. So I guess for them fly now. really immigration as well. And you meet a lot of clouds coming in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we saw quite a bit of clouds.
Yeah.
Because I was trying to do a video aerial of the area.
Yeah, but
the clouds were in the way.
Yeah, cause the same thing when I was coming in as well. There's so much cloud. I'm like, it's the first time I'm coming back and there's so much clouds.
Yeah.
And it just bring more turbulence coming in. I'm like, wow.
Well, we didn't have any turbulence, but the clouds were there.
Yeah. But for mine, it was there. Yes.
I was trying to get a glimpse of the other side of the island to see if
But
we
we
got
couldn't
anything,
see
but
it,
we
it's
couldn't
pure
see
clouds.
anything. Yes.
Usually you can see all the sides.
Yes. But, from what I was viewing, it just reminds me how beautiful
Jamaica is, right? Yeah.
Because-
From the little piece that you see.
Yes, I even saw more than I thought, I saw before. I
Yeah.
was more appreciative of Jamaica
Yeah.
based on what I was looking at.
The guys at the Kiwanis is here.
Yes.
Tina is here. And the president, Mr. Wong
Always
himself.
at work.
Always at work, right? Always at work. Where?
Derek! All right, Eddie, let's go.
So you going?
Yeah. Eddie, come. Wow. Derek is here. All right, so we'll come back around. We'll come back around.
Hello. Welcome. Oh my God. Welcome. Oh. Fats.
So how much are you?
Hello.
Oh my goodness.
Hey. So we get. Hello. So which one to come out?
We come to
Alright.
Oh. Hello. Oh, yeah. I don't think.
crosswalk by the ATM.
What's up? Yeah. Made it. Oh, yes, girl here. Hello.
Hi, how are you? So you have everybody all right? Yeah. Everybody all right?
The team is here.
Wait,
Off Wharf Road. Yeah. Hillcrest Avenue. As you pass Bob Marley Museum on your left, you turn right at the light. Yeah. Eva. Ouch. You're trying to bump me. Hello. I'm good. Good. Hello. As well as the team as well?
yes,
Big team.
yes, that's Christina. No, that's Cleo.
Oh, Cleo.
Hi, how are you?
Christina.
Hi.
Oh, is all your suitcase? Oh, Lord.
I know. What you got for us? A truck?
We're going to need a truck. We're going to need the truck. We're going to need the truck. We're going to need a truck. Oh, Lord.
You know, you have to tell me about Ibis Spice, you know.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. Well, all
That's
of us got
my
Ibis
food,
Spice.
My
Yeah.
food.
Well, all of us got Ibis Spice for sure. Right, Mommy? Well, all of us got Ibis Spice.
Oh yeah, we said it already. We're going straight to Ibis Spice.
I
Oh no, the hard work, we're going straight to Ibis
Yes,
Spice.
you're going straight to Ibis Spice?
Yes. That's where we get the breadfruit,
Burger. Straight away? Don't mind, but we're going to need a truck for all of these things. Who's bringing a truck?
Where it's Karel. Karel
Karel?
is calling for the truck? He's here. He's here?
Oh, he's here.
Where's he?
Could you all get a group picture?
Okay. All right. He's here. So can he carry all of this?
Come here, Evan, come here, come right in here, so come
So
we
you know what? Come,
get a
let's
group
go.
picture. Don't worry about the stuff.
All right, so let's
Come here,
see.
Karel, come right around here, come right around here, come.
The truck is
Come around here, come we get a one group. You want to suitcase, you have to come behind the suitcase. Yeah. No, you go for that side.
One MP, one
No, you come on this side, you have to take the sun. Mommy, you come on this side.
The suitcase
I want to get
and
the sun.
things,
I want to
okay?
get the suitcase them too. I want to get the suitcase them as well.
You know where you want us? be?
Right behind the suitcase, right there. Yeah, in the gap right there. Yeah, anywhere in the can there.
In between.
Yeah, anywhere in the can be. Watch the team. Whoa.
Wow.
Watch the team.
Whoa.
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 Lord God. So say one, say sunrise.
Sunrise.
All right, we're here, guys. and dream team. One team. Yeah. Woo, woo. Oh Lord, what a big team.
Wow.
To the truck. Yeah, true. We need a still one.
Where's President? Still photo. Still photo. Okay.
Yeah, can airdrop, right? Yeah, can airdrop it.
Joanne, take down some suitcases.
Go ahead.
We can send some suitcases.
Yeah, them there, no.
Yeah. Take care of it. They have enough space and the van is there. Let's make
So
it
the van supposed to stay as well. It's coming on. They're right at the police station. At the police station, we're from.
All right.
Yeah.
Take some more. They have space, guys. So let's take.
Guys, the team is bigger and better.
Okay, so we have that one down there. No, but the van is going to get some of the luggage. So they're going to do the luggage. You always leave your
Turn your airdrop on.
Yeah, turn it on. It's on. You select all of them?
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, you already got it?
one more here. You only said one?
Just one? The best one is it? Must be.
Here.
Yeah.
Alright, 1, 2.
Yours there? Okay.
I guess it's the best one, right?
I believe.
By sizes. Yeah, right.
Here, I'm gonna send you airdrop.
She took things down.
So let me go get my vehicle and come back, right?
Yeah.
Pat, look out for Simeon, right?
Okay. What color is him drive again? White?
No, the black.
The black? Okay.
The black van.
Hi. All right.
Is your name Christina?
Yes. Christina. All right. Got him all?
You want more than one?
Yeah. Put him all.
Let me send them all.
Yeah, send them all. You are good at this.
Yeah.
Thanks. You got them all?
You got them all. They're all there.
All right. Thank you. What else do I do?
It's
Click
in your
here?
photo.
Ah, okay. Perfect. All right. Thanks.
Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, the team is bigger than before. You know, loads of them is here as well too. So it's good, everyone is out. So I'm gonna drive out my vehicle as well. And then we're gonna head to Ibo Spice. They wanna go straight to Ibo Spice. So Ibo Spice, we're coming. We're coming, Ibo, we're coming. Now put the suitcase them in the truck, right? Oh, see me here, Pat? He's here. He's here. So what do you put in the pickups?
All right. The smaller ones will go with him and Kino, and the big ones go with the truck. Bring the big ones on the truck. So that means Kino.
Yeah?
So that means I'm not driving with you. I'm driving with Kino. I'm driving with Kino.
Oh,
me too.
everybody are driving Kino.
I guess I'm driving Simeon.
Hey, Simeon there. Simeon there.
Y'all going to Ibo Spice?
Yeah, we're going to Ibo Spice, right? We're going to Ibo Spice.
Okay, Pat.
All right, this is good. Yeah.
What is the other one? All right. So, let's get...
Kino, what can hold in your vehicle?
If you go carry, how much you now come with me? We can carry 6.
Me,
Yeah.
Charmaine,
Yes,
Pat.
so we can. Okay, they can go with
So we can put. No, I'm driving that one there. But we are putting this in here so we have more space. You know the bus. See me, I know yesterday you pack up.
That's where we can afford.
How much more you can hold, Jenna? I matter. Take a slim one then. The more I'm going to eat, so we're going to bring in the iBus price. Right at Iron Street. The Ital place. Put in that one, General. Can go in? Yeah, man. It's right top.
You waiting?
No. Oh, light. Yeah.
Okay.
Who will come on? Yeah, you want to come on, General?
Look, can this go you back here?
Yeah. Alright. Well, I'll try. 1 second, General. 1 second.
So do I be there?
Well, guys. So we're here, we're packed, and we loaded.
Yes.
You know, we're loaded, and we have Mom Charmaine here.
Yeah, hi, we're
We have Ava
home.
and the team
I'm in
right
Jamaica. Where are you?
there. Yes. And who's at the back there?
Christina,
Aguilera.
Sharon,
So you have
and we got Carmen here to the side.
Carmen.
Yeah, hi.
So we have Christina Aguilera. Yes, everyone's home, guys. So,
Welcome home.
Christina Aguilera.
yeah, so we're here. So you know where they're heading to. The first thing on their mind, tell them.
I was
Breadfruit burger.
Yeah.
my goodness.
Guys, there's so much of them. You know, there's another vehicle in front of us that's loaded as well too. You know, with Pat, driver, don't stop at all. She's in the next vehicle here. I will literally
And Joanne.
And Joanne. And who else is in there?
Pauline, right?
Pauline.
So,
Cleopatra.
Yeah, Cleopatra.
A lot
Sharon.
of people.
so we have Cleopatra as well too.
Yeah, Cleopatra is here.
I used to watch that movie.
And what's that name? Miss Cleo. Carmen now.
You know.
You mean the rip-off?
Still pass away.
Yeah.
Not far away. Straight across. Breadfruit burger. Aibo. Just wait. I already tell him so the nurse time is coming, you know. That's before I left. So now we're gonna head there, guys. So
Yes.
watch.
Oh, good. This is a real.
This is a real deal.
The real deal. She made it.
Thank you.
You can leave the bag.
But I need to pay.
Okay. Hey, boy, can I come outside here?
At the fish fry
Go ahead.
in Broward.
Team is here. Some of them gone check in.
Yeah, the fish fry. You didn't tell her.
Oh, because I remember what Christina was doing.
Oh my God.
Yes, Christina was
I love your food. Oh my God.
So everyone meets Simeon already?
Yes. Okay. So this is Simeon, our other driver, guys. Come, Simeon.
So you meet Simeon already, right?
Hey, are you all right?
Hi, Simeon.
That's my car.
Oh. Wait.
Oh, Rose, reach over
Wait.
here. She's hungry.
Rose, wait. More I catch everyone I go. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Let's. Oh, my Muso. Come here. Come. guys, so we're here at Ivo Spice. Yes, what are going? Yeah.
This is my chair. Oh, your favorite spot, right? Yeah. I know. I get my spot now. I have a spot, you're here. The team is here.
Come go in the back. Come. Come, let's go in the back.
Yeah, I think you should get some soup.
Yeah.
All right now.
Aye.
Okay.
Ah.
We're here. I hope the food is ready. But we don't we have another table?
Mash up.
Yeah.
You mash up? In a mash up, I mean mash it up. No. So we bring all the nurses them. We bring all the nurses them is here. But the seats them there. See have chairs over there and everything. Alright, brother. Aye, boy. Aye. All is well. They are for the eyes. Come meet the team now, them there, you know. The nurses them is here. See them here.
Love more. Yeah, can we have some?
Say aye boy here.
Aye boy.
So guys, this is Ivo Spice.
Yeah, we had the breadfruit burger the last time.
Yeah.
But if we could, and some sip, if we could get some sip because some of them are feeling that. How many of you want?
Just come off the plane. So the first thing.
No, sip is different.
Sip is soup.
What sip? Okay.
Sip is soup. Yeah. It's gonna go on there.
Everything you eat, everything you eat.
So let's get the orders. How many sip? So now go sip first before burger. You want the burger?
I want my burger and
Soup. It's vegetable soup.
Oh, fine. I'll take soup.
You take soup, right? Soup.
Avenue.
I want
Or the burger.
College.
They must have the food as well.
Okay. We just meet her and we just recruit her to come.
Hey, recruiter.
Saturday.
Okay.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is
Zoe.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Yeah, and this is Keno. Have you ever heard of Keno?
Never.
Life in Jamaica. Subscribe.
YouTube.
Guys, first thing, take out your phone.
Keno Life in
Take out your
Jamaica.
phones if you have never
I don't have any
subscribed.
data. We don't have
You
data
don't
right
data now?
All right.
Make sure
Yeah.
you
batteries low, but
But I think all the Sunrise team supposed to and the Q1 is supposed to so.
I don't know. I think I hit the button, but
You hit the button, you hit the button.
no, I
K-I-N-O,
didn't.
Life in Jamaica.
Everyone should have already.
Oh, that's how much sip.
Alright, so how much sip? We're going to say how many sip.
Yes, so definitely.
So, 3, 4 sip, 5. How many sip? 5.
5 sip. You want sip too?
You want sip?
Yeah, but I don't. But okay, but I don't want a big. I want breadfruit. Roasted breadfruit.
Breadfruit burger.
So how much breadfruit burger? Everybody, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 sip, 8.
Yeah. But I don't want such a big thing with the sip. Just a
Small.
Yeah, because I really want to eat my breadfruit.
4, 5, 6,
And I want my plantain.
10.
I want my burger and the plantain.
Yeah. You want what's in the platinum?
Burgers and plantain.
In the burger?
Yes, that was what you got for us.
Oh,
That was what you got.
the fried place.
plant,
Oh,
yes.
the fried
That.
plantain. Okay.
Okay, nice. What about you? You're not going to eat?
Oh, yeah. Yes, man. So that's like 11 burgers.
Yeah. But you can get the sip first.
Yeah, you get the seat first. Ivo, so you 6 You know, man, 6 small sip and 11 burger.
6 months ago, 11 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I hear a long time, but you just busy and look over there. So like,
Yeah, you are church dog, man, right?
yeah, man.
One eye straight. Never
One
leave.
father straight, man. It's not really there, man.
Yeah.
I listen here, yellow muddy over.
Yeah.
I say, yo, yellow mash up the cat.
Wow, the Yellowstone bad, trust me.
Yeah.
It's bad. Don't play with them thing there.
It's a 6 sip.
Yeah.
One in a bag.
Yeah, and 11 breadfruit burger. 11, 12.
12 burger.
Yeah.
That 12 the county meat up.
Yeah. May counting 12. Oh, not a girl I want as well too.
Yeah, man.
You want to try the breadfruit burger as well too?
Do you want it? Yes,
Alright.
sure, yes.
So that's at 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Remember that trip up to the hills?
Ibo, 13 breadfruit burger. 13. Cash back number that. Alright guys, so we're here at Ibo Spice and everything goes. So 13 of us here saying we 13 breadfruit burger that. You know, they're gonna also have the sip and then want fry. You have the press plantain there as well too. You have press plantain?
Yeah, man. I press plan, man.
Alright, them want press plantain.
We have green and we have bright.
We want the green one. And also some fresh plantain. So it's good to be back. You know, survive the hailstone and the snow. And I'm back in the sun. You know, all day we're going to glow.
That should be what, 5 sip and 1 in a bash.
No, 6, yeah, 5 sip and 1 in a bash. Yeah. So Pat wants her sip in a bash. She want to try the calabash.
I go there to visit.
So welcome guys to the portal.
It's nice.
The portal.
That's numbering.
It's very quiet. Yeah, it's quiet.
Isn't that Starbucks?
Which one?
Yeah, they
The
always
one right here. Starbucks tree.
Yeah, here.
The one behind.
This?
The one behind me. I love Starbucks.
No.
You know, but not. Are you okay? Yeah. Yeah.
You okay, Christina Aguilera?
Yes.
Christina Aguilera there.
Okay. Allow people to find devices.
So guys, it's a bigger team today. So you know how the thing goes already. The bigger. So Ava find a son.
Yes.
You find a son.
Second son.
Oh. And dad was right here.
Yeah, I think my phone. I've never heard that. Get much.
Can do something.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay.
Pull up then. Not swing. You need.
She's like, I can swing, but I can't pull it all the way up.
Yeah, you need to pull all the way up.
But it helps to realign your back.
Yeah.
So that's what I like.
Pull ups with help
Yeah. Can we get some full appetizers?
for the plantains.
Yes. Soup. The sip. The sip?
The soup.
The sip. That's what I want.
Oh, the sip is coming. The sip is coming. Take a sip.
What's his name again?
Eyes straight.
Eye straight.
Eyes straight. James.
Oh, yeah, I get one too.
Yeah. I'm gonna need one as well. So here's the sip. Where's the sip team?
Yeah. You know, we could get him to come to see the pediatrician.
Him, right?
Yeah.
Because him dad was just here.
So we can tell them. Yeah.
And sure, right where you pass through business, and then you look up, and then there's one community. Right, it's like,
Right this way.
Over here. Eyes straight.
Huh?
no chicken wood in it.
Me know, cause
You want sip as well too, Mom?
yeah, Rasta night.
Oh, get 2 more sip. Yeah. Cement one.
No, I think it's more than two, right? Because I want one.
Oh, so
I want one.
no, pot to get in the bowl. Get the calabash. So three more cup on the bowl, yeah? Hot.
That's what you call sip because
You have to sip it, that's what I call sip. You have to sip it.
Longer you sip it, the cooler I get.
Yeah, so you have to sip it.
Sip it, it's cooler.
longer than you have a sweat. Yeah, you have a sweat.
So pot, get the calabash.
Last time we came, we found a little one here down at 6th Street. Yeah. But this little one, we're going 0. And I got my holder, you know.
Yeah, the coconut
holder. I'm supposed to get one.
Natural.
Miss, you got a thing there for Miss Pauline. She needs a spoon.
So one more as well.
Here.
Get one more.
In the thing though, in the bowl.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a come.
For Miss Pauline.
One more sip?
No, it's a come in the calabash. One of the calabash.
She busy. You're busy. Your grandmother is calling, Miss Johnstone.
Oh yeah.
Hey brother, we just get here. Hello. Hello. Hi. John.
That's the superhero.
Yes, it's terrible.
That's the superhero. You know that dog saved Kino's son.
Yeah, terrible.
Which dogs?
The one there with that chain
dog
dog.
that's laying down.
Oh, I was like that little dog?
That
Yeah.
saved Kino's son from the
that-
other dog.
Yeah, where is she? She
I don't know. She's probably
The mother.
out there.
Over there, Miss Pauline. She has a spoon.
Oh, here.
Ava soup.
Eva soup.
Eva, sit down and take a soup.
Thank you.
You have to hold it.
This is the
Oh, gotta
older.
hold it on that? Okay.
That's the older.
That's the older.
Appreciate it. Thank
You got yours?
Ooh, get your spirulina in it.
Yeah.
And your cayenne pepper.
Feeling better?
Give me a bottle of spirulina.
Are you gonna have sip?
That's my roommate. Some of us who have no roommate, some of us whose roommate never made it. I can't help you.
They never made it.
Joanne, I'm not talking.
Joanne's
name, you know.
Joanne is my roommate.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Who's your roommate, Brad?
Over there.
Okay.
Last year they had the same roommate.
Who's
but
your roommate?
Joanne's roommate didn't come.
I don't have a roommate. I'm a single lady.
Okay.
All the single ladies.
All the singleness who got Beyonce over here.
No. Don't get that twisted. I ain't that.
You got Beyonce. Your roommate there, right? Who's your roommate? No roommate too. Okay. Alright, so everybody good. Them? Same, right?
Yes.
Roommates?
If you're what?
You bought roommates?
Hotel. We're roommates at the hotel? No.
Okay, single ladies?
I'm a single lady.
Go ahead. Okay, Miss Pauline.
You're Miss Pauline. All the single ladies. Alright. All the single ladies. So you're not a single lady here?
Oh, you have a camera?
Yeah, you camera.
I was like, no, but like I thought the camera was like facing this way.
Oh,
Not like
to the-
yeah.
So you see,
Back up there.
and you see the lens.
Okay, alright, it's not bad.
Not bad. You see, trust me, you're gonna like, oh, is that me? You're gonna like, oh, is that me?
When you came to Fort Lauderdale and I was sitting by the tent, I didn't know you were taping us. And then one of my girlfriends called me and says,
You didn't know?
no, I didn't know that you were filming us.
And the camera is on here, we're having a conversation like this and everything, and I'm like, tell me what you have here and everything, and you're showing me all
So
this.
do you edit it or you just let it be?
Not edited.
You edit it, okay. No, I mean like, do you chop and screw it or?
Yeah. I have to chop and screw. So it's our flow. So she never watched the program.
Where we were here last year.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
If you're going to keep alive in Jamaica, you'll see.
So that means she never come at the center and at the events.
This is her first time.
Yeah.
You live in Florida? So come you never come at another event, either the opening or the...
I didn't know.
They were working.
Yeah.
Okay.
I tell them about the fair that we were having.
The fair, right?
Yeah, but the fish fry, her mom bought fish.
Yeah, my mom went.
Okay. And the dial is opening as well too?
No, up by the Sunrise Center.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up and running.
Give it an open as well too, it's good. What happened to the boat ride this year? And the boat ride going on?
The boat ride is December 4th.
December 4th.
What boat ride are you guys having?
Here to here.
They do a boat ride. Yeah, every year.
I have to come on that one for sure. Oh, the 4th.
The 4th of December.
That's like next
Like 2 weeks.
That's alright. So mom, what is the soup?
Oh, the soup is delicious. The sip.
We got
Delicious. It's moving all the gas.
That the soup is in the army.
It's cleansing. I have dreamt of this sip for a long time.
But driver, or is just good? Jimmy good, right?
It's good.
Ever?
It's good. I feel that pepper hitting too.
It's hitting.
You're gonna be sweating soon.
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, so she never having a sip.
No, it's hot.
How is the sip? How is the sip going on over here?
Awesome, amazing. Yes.
Christina Aguilera, how's the sip going?
Oh, I love it. It's nice and tasty.
Good. Which country are you from?
From Peru.
Peru. Oh, I need to go there. How was your sip?
You can go to Machu Picchu.
Huh?
You can go to Machu Picchu.
Yeah? Trust me. I never had no soup, Joe. And you want it? Oh, you want it fry? Ice rate. We have portions of green platinum as well, you know.
I need assistance.
Portions of the pressed one. The serving.
A small one.
Yeah. No,
Yes,
green.
right.
Oh, you want ripe?
Right, yes.
Ripe and green?
No, right.
Oh, that's ripe.
Just right. No green, just right.
But the one that I gave to you was green, you know?
Was green?
I
Yeah.
don't want green, I want right.
Yes.
That's what I'm here for.
Yeah. Yeah, she want get some fried breadfruit and the ripe plantain. So two different serving
The
then.
authentic Jamaican plantain.
Yeah, so put a two different bag.
Ripe plantain and breadfruit.
Yeah, in a two different bag.
That's it, finish. The next
And
get
it's,
me she
and
want.
it's, and it's need
Ripe plantain.
Yeah. So ripe plantain with the breadfruit in a two different bag. I was sang that. Oh, did I? Oh.
You can
Yeah?
still get that lamb and the iron.
Good.
When my food come, I want my own bag.
You go to the bathroom? Ice straight. Assistant.
That's breadfruit.
that.
School is over already?
I had to remind you what Kino gave us. Make her cheese lick enough.
From Cranberry now?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what's wrong with them phone, but them alright still. Me hear from them family.
Blackie doing that? He not
That's
doing-
terrible. I'm probably excited.
But Kino, I want my own one to go.
You want your own one?
Let her smell you. Let her smell you. Pat. I think you're good.
That's my mom's last name. She might be related to me. Where's your dad? Where's your dad? Where?
Something.
Here.
Hydration. Yeah.
Oh, do I? Okay, drink something. Yeah, I need. Yeah.
That's the Herbalade.
You want a Herbalade? Thank you. Give her mine. What is it? What? Give Zoe mine.
That's the Herbalade.
We have a cup.
The plantain and the breadfruit.
Oh, this is good.
Make the kids we try to press here now.
Alright guys, so the burger is ready. Burger 1, burger 2, Cleopatra, Ava Data Chew. We have Pat here. I want to see the expression on the faces when the burger they bite. When that bite.
Goodies in the bag.
So
The goodies in the bag. First time having breadfruit.
Oh, what is that? What is that bowl over there?
Oh, this is a meal.
Oh.
Yeah, man,
not everything in the meal.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Mustard greens.
Nice.
Quinoa, crush.
So go on now.
Okay. And that's all you guys eat, no meat?
No, no meat. No, with no ice.
Delicious.
Yeah.
You're gonna try and video me eating this?
Of course.
No.
Yes, you have to. Well, listen, that's all the time.
There's no way. No.
What about the feet?
Oh my gosh. No, you cannot videotape it. No.
So just in case if in the spot. It's alright. It's alright. Alright, take your bite. Alright. So Ava running and take.
No. Am I stepping messy?
Party, take your bite already?
Man, tastes so good. I've been waiting for this for
so long, right?
Oh my god. You see me bite already?
Yeah. Who bite already? Cleopatra? This is not Burger King, you know? Or McDonald's. Wendy's. This is better
than Burger.
It's better
than.
Way better.
All right. I am good now.
This is really good.
Oh, wow.
Nobody talk to me.
Really good, right?
And this
Come on, Cleo. What do you say?
I'm shy with eating.
I know. What are you saying? How the taste?
It tastes delicious.
You want herbal here too? Alright, they have other juice. So what kind of juice you got? Straight?
You have beetroot, pine, melon. I have sea sponge, 5 different vegetables from the sea.
That one nice. I don't want anything that's sweet.
They're not sweet. Beetroot is good, right?
Yeah, man.
You want the beetroot with pine?
Yes, sir.
Alright, you can get the beetroot with pine. You know? Do you remember the time?
I know. It's good. Fell in love with the burger.
When she on the
Don't say
burger?
nothing to me right now.
Another one?
This is a burger. First time eating a breakfast
Ice cream,
burger.
bring another water as well.
This is delicious.
Book of life.
This is amazing.
Thank you. Just put it
Coming, right? Here, another water, please. Here, with ice. With ice? Yeah? With ice.
Make sure you eat.
All right.
Yeah, that's beetroot and
You're coming with
pineapple.
my burger now?
I like the one she had.
When they have the
That one.
conference, don't
They
make
have one?
Yeah. So try your burger now.
I've already
Come,
so I
come.
bring it down here with me.
What are you saying about the burger?
Otherwise, I'm not gonna eat it.
It's good. One thing with this burger now, you have to always have your napkin in your hand.
I know.
Because food are got it everywhere. Look. Everywhere is eating.
Delicious.
You gotta have some water.
It feels healthy like this is how I should be eating every day.
That's the way it should be eaten.
Delicious.
Wanted to finish.
Don't think. The first time I came after I had three.
Oh my gosh, this is great.
Yeah, that's what happened. Through the anxiety. That's what I mean. Choo-choo.
Wow.
Nice, right?
Delicious.
I told you.
Are you going to eat? What makes the inside?
So who's the cook?
No, it's not cook. It's spice. Or the patty. I can't really say too much, and then he's not going to tell you about everything. Okay. So you go give him ingredients, you know. But it's all ital, all vegetarian thing. So chickpea flour is the base of it.
How many clinicians I had, so I know I'm going to have to worry.
Yeah.
I'm in good hands.
Of course.
Oh, you would enjoy it. Amazing.
You like it, right? Eva, you finally got it. Don't cry. Don't cry.
Can't talk right now, can you?
Don't cry. Yeah. She's been waiting for this so long. What's going on over here?
It's good.
It's good, right?
Finger licking good.
Finger licking good. So you can tell Burger King to go and close on, right? And McDonald's.
I don't normally eat Burger King.
Okay. Yeah. They say it's finger licking too good. I told you. So she wants a herbal aid as well.
I probably need another drink because this is spicy.
Spicy, right?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
How much? Yeah.
But you call me back.
But everything I got, I'm right here.
Everything I check.
Take a run check everything, man. So you will get help. Everything I got check right now. Oh, she wants ice straight. Pineapple beets as well too. Pineapple beet. Yeah.
We check everything together.
Yeah.
But we
Yeah. Alright guys, so it's my turn.
I'm happy I waited.
Good, right?
waited.
So it's my turn. It's been a while. I've been away for so long. You know? All them hail, snow and ice in Canada. I couldn't wait to come get my burger. Brampton.
You in Brampton? Yeah, I have family there.
Yeah. So guys, see there. Whoa. Whoa. See that bring the everybody in.
Oh yeah, the brand.
Okay, thank you.
Wow.
Okay, I'm full.
You're gonna be full.
I'm good.
You have the breadfruit and the plantain already.
This is dinner.
Yes. That's what I was waiting for. That's why I didn't want to see it.
Yeah, I'm gonna check everything.
Over there, she didn't want to sit.
Yeah, I
Honestly, the
knew
best
that. I needed to
quality.
leave room.
That's what I was waiting for.
Oh, you're back for you, man.
This is
Check.
dinner.
Okay, what's for dessert?
Different. Everybody's different. Once I feel full, the way I feel. Yeah, I don't eat that. I don't know.
You come under here, look for me like man say, yo, you.
I was bigger than this.
You looking like.
Everybody you want one? I'm saying tea. If you want? Okay, good. I want to leave you one. I want you to eat some burger too.
Been a while.
Right?
Been a while.
My heavy meal at my
Wow.
But my heavy meal still is not heavy.
Been a while, boy. But imagine I went to a vegetarian shop, cook food. Yeah. And I say, yo, you never eat breadfruit burger? So you get the Rasta man, no. So you eat breadfruit burger? I say, yeah. Man, if that's supposed to bad. But I say, I see him Rasta one make it like one, you know.
Bex says she can't see now. She barely full. She don't need the glasses anymore. She was hungry.
You didn't get your drink out?
That's it. With the beef pineapple.
The breadfruit is good.
Finished?
Oh yeah, for sure.
So finish right. Yeah, yeah.
So guys, I just check 10 pounds to see the site and everything.
Cleopatra, how was it?
It was amazing.
Worth it, right?
It was worth the wait.
And it worth being on video, right?
Yes.
Exactly. Hey, but how was it? Worth the flight? Worth the flight, right? Pat? Pat, remember the time from the first time. I with himself, I. Yeah, no. I but them want thank you, I but come true. Come true, I but.
So what is that called? That bowl?
That's the food bowl.
Yeah, this is a complete meal. It's an also consists
I
of
but.
nothing.
I my phone. You brand him?
Yeah, we should already brand it.
Yeah. I got brand him for sure.
Ooh, yummy.
Can you get me one?
So we have the beets, we have avocado. Is this pumpkin? What is this?
Yeah, that is pumpkin.
Pumpkin. We have quinoa, and is there any ackee?
There's a chickpea on there.
We have a chickpea here.
Yeah.
And red peas. And zucchini, but no ackee.
And we have beets on there.
Beetroots. Beetroots.
Ackee with
We
mustard.
call it chocho.
Chocho, I love chocho.
Yeah. And that coconut.
And coconut? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And avocado. But underneath it now, you got what? St. Vincent yam?
Yeah, cross St. Vincent. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this, callaloo?
Is it St.
No?
Vincent or
Which one?
St.
Yeah, callaloo. Yes,
Callaloo
callaloo.
with
Callaloo.
ackee.
Callaloo with
Mustard green.
ackee. Mustard green with ackee.
Yeah, mustard green with ackee.
Okay.
Underneath it now, you have the brown food.
Chickpeas and quinoa.
Yeah.
Quinoa.
And
So we
send
have
Quinoa crush.
we have beans with zucchini, right? We have pumpkin with what else?
No, the pumpkin is with zucchini.
What's the beans with?
Beans, red peas.
Red peas with what?
With chocha and
Okay, so we have red peas with chocho. We have pumpkin with zucchini. We have the chickpea here. Oops, sorry. And we have the zucchini, or what is this?
Chocho.
No.
Chocho.
Yeah.
We have beets. We have coconut, avocado, and then you have ackee underneath
with mustard
greens.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you have other things on it as well. I think
And
it's a
quinoa.
boiled plant now. Not only that,
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
you have boiled plantain.
boiled plantain.
Okay, so it's like a mystery meal.
Yeah, it's St. Vincent yam.
Mystery meal.
Get me an order.
They need one, right?
See, I told you you should have told people. Now we're gonna be here all day.
I'm telling you.
We're gonna be here all day, and that's the Ital stew right there, right?
Yeah. So see another one over here. Pretty. Look at that.
Oh
You see it, Bob?
That is amazing. Who does all the cooking?
He's one there. He's the one that's sharing. That is it.
He is very good. Look at the beef.
So this is how you have to eat.
And what is the stuff? What's the beef?
Okay. So I'll get one for you, right?
Me and the seed is not.
All the way, the best, authentic, healthy items. Where's Patty's still sitting there, she's not ready to go. Patty not going to work today?
Come through eyeball. So eyeball here. So eyeball here. So guys.
Cleo have a slogan for Eyeball Spice.
Oh, you have a slogan?
Thank you again.
Eyeball have a slogan for you as well, you know.
Yeah, I was hearing it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a slogan for you, Eyeball.
We gotta get some bread. Come on in.
You want pictures? Get the phone over there.
Oh yeah.
The man of the hour. Wait, don't move.
Eyeball Spice, the food so nice.
Eyeball Spice, the food so nice.
Eyeball Spice, the food so nice.
So after 3, we're gonna say it one time. Eyeball Spice, the food so nice. So after 3, 1, 2, 3.
Eyeball Spice, the food so nice.
Alright. We can't come here once, we have to come here twice.
That's the other part of it.
Yeah. A bit of sunlight will come in your way. Alright guys, so we're going to head into Trenchtown. Them say Eyeball Spice, the food so nice. You can't come here once, you have to come here twice. I'll try. Hey, if I brush off your bum.
Hey, how can I get those pictures? Do it airdrop again?
Yeah, what's your name? Pat.
Who?
Pat. So,
Pat?
Yeah, Pat Addy. Yeah. Alright, eye straight. Manners. The name straight and put the eye on it.
Eye straight.
Yeah. You want help, Eva? You want help?
Yes.
So, yeah. They said yes.
That's what you say, so tonight.
Exactly. Never leave on time.
You are the
Exactly. Never leave time.
Yep. Where Christina?
No.
She gone down?
Be
Where's
careful
Christina?
with the steps, please.
Christina.
She's buying breadfruit.
Oh, she buying more breakfast again?
Step like a crab, ladies.
Sideways, down. Sideways, down.
Thank you, honey.
Who is missing?
They're getting breadfruit.
Everybody? Yeah, you got my food. All right. Yeah, because it's a little tricky.
And way. Welcome. I like the bag.
You like?
I like the bag.
Ice green and gold.
Of course, ice green
Jamaica
and gold.
all the way.
And we can cross road. This is not Florida road, you know. All right, Cleopatra.
All right, Frankie. So this is how I cross Florida road.
Put up your hand and say, hold on.
And then later on the side.
We'll still have some more to come over.
All right, Dred.
Eh? So we're here, guys.
We have the eye doctor. We have for the babies. The pediatrician. So please come on.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Yes. And all right? All right. Well, we come to give us some love and to take some care, okay? Thank you very much. Yes, yes. It starts at 9. All right? Okay. No. Over here we're going park.
The park over there, because they're fixing the road.
They're fixing the road.
Brand new road they're making.
Yeah, they're doing sewage and all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We came from this.
Yeah.
Who's there?
Someone in there.
What happened? Oh, the seat.
Oh, they're in the back. Oh, Lord. Cool. I forgot about them.
And there's a bag right there.
Hey, I forgot about them. Oh, Lord. Oh. Yeah, go on. Help her out.
Yeah, that's what I was telling the lady. I can't eat nothing else. I mean,
Never leave your team behind, okay? Never again, please. How could you leave your team behind? Yeah, that's a fresh blood.
Must be saying hi.
We are repellent though. We are repellent. Oh, Pina, good about this.
Yeah.
You know a true story.
So you remember around here?
Oh, Ellis.
no.
Oh,
Completely different.
Ellis.
I don't know where I am.
My God.
Completely different.
Hi, how you doing? So we want to see you tomorrow, you know? Yes, we have the
But we
clinic.
can come still to get the farm in the morning.
Yes. So bring the children. We're going to have the eye doctor, dentist, everything free. All right? Guys.
Boom.
Yeah, this is 6th.
Boom.
This is very good.
What go on?
Hi, how you doing? Yeah. This is
Them gone.
Oh,
you know, so Mr. Somebody up there, so we think say it was you. How you do?
They are ready to sweat.
Yes. But one chef.
Whoa, chef.
I'll be gone on the road.
What's up, boom? Is this the center?
Yeah, this is the center. Yeah.
Well, we
Elsie sent a special
Yeah.
message for her.
Oh my God. Where's your stuff? So we are back and we're going to big up to you. Big up to you. Hello for you. We are thanking you. Oh my God. This is tomorrow. Yes. Pastor John. I call you
Alright guys, so we're back from iBus Spice here in the center. The room? Okay.
Very nice.
So
the dentist. Oh, very good. That's where the dentist is going to be. Oh,
yeah.
Very good. Wow. So you see the AC. Yeah, so the AC is the top.
Yeah, so the AC will go right over here.
Yeah. Very good.
So
yeah. Yeah. Look how really she happy out there. So you need to see you. Yeah. Bring the dentist. Come get out everybody. Yes, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Everybody.
And the next room as well too.
And the other room.
Get a farm, you know.
Yeah.
Sign up my farm later, you know.
You know, it's you must not have to worry about that.
Sign up my farm later, you know.
So this is a phone room. They used it last time.
Wow, very good, very good. Yes, very good. Yes, so we'll just get some fans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we have a paint in here a little bit.
Yes,
There's
yes,
a paint of the place.
Yeah, very good.
So they need all of these things in here?
Huh?
You need this and everything, this alright?
Yeah.
But tomorrow we'll take out the chairs and everything.
Right?
And everything.
Yeah, man. So, how you doing? You alright?
Yo, there for food.
Yes, man. Food, man. We need to go pick up the shirt them as well because the shirt them ready. Yeah, pick up the shirt them and thing, you know. Listen, you know, we have to stretch your legs and walk. Yeah? Because we're going to make a walk. You know?
Okay, to tell people.
Yeah.
All right.
Because them already are wearing, you know, so we cannot walk.
Go to work tomorrow, man.
Go ahead, make a walk with them. Come here, walk.
Sign up and tell us. You don't feel like going to work today because you did community service tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because
Let me get my battery. Yeah, okay. Oh, wait, for phone. Oh, part phone. So he's one of the one that responds for over here as well too.
Oh, thank you. Well, we're going to be working with you. Okay? Are you going to come in? Come on in the picture. Come.
Go on that picture.
Come on in the picture. You're part of the team. Dream team, one team. Come, darling. Dream team, one team. Yes. One team.
Dream team?
One team.
Alright. Another pose. One team?
Dream team.
Alright, we got that. Here you go, Pat. Spot to the ear dropping.
Alright, so remember. Hi, Kanisha. I'm fine.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna walk a bit, you know, in the community of Trenchtown. You know, we're here in Trenchtown and everything goes on. So you see they're fixing the road all the way down.
Wow.
Tick tock.
So they must have an MP then. They have an MP then if they are fixing the road.
Yeah.
The MP?
Yeah. So, see that drawing the original, huh?
Where's your headquarters?
It's 2 streets down. So we can walk along there.
Where?
We're gonna stretch our legs, come. With that stretching the legs, come.
And it's mainly walking up the foot, the air.
Yeah, we can. That's how you work it out. That's how you work it out. One ninja. Cool now.
Alright, so we're gonna walk. Well, only in Jamaica you can't money by whatever they have. They call it one in.
Yeah.
We did a lot of coverage with this.
Yeah. A lot of work going on as well in the building.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, so tomorrow we have the dentist, the doctor, the eye.
I need to see the eye.
The dentist over by the center. We start at 9 o'clock. Come over and we will give you a free checkup.
I need it.
Indian.
Very good. Of course.
Get people like you and
Exactly.
I know say you're doing a wonderful work.
And everybody knows about Trenchtown.
A great place,
Yes.
man. Great of reggae music, Bob Marley, Alton Ellis,
The
Ken
center.
It's a blessing. I'm going to Valentino.
Yeah.
Promotion and his team and he's doing a good work for Trenchtown also and for people too. It's a blessing to have you people here, alright?
Yes, alright.
Mr. Thompson Family Variety.
Okay, so see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Alright, have a great day.
Yeah, man. So tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah.
You want to go to his bar?
Eh? Oh, can go in bar. You see in bar as well. Can have a private party at the bar.
Yes, private party.
Yo, Baba.
All right, Baba.
Him sell the best chicken back in town. You ever eat chicken back before?
I don't eat chicken.
No chicken. Okay, good. But this is the chicken back man. Fried this, fried that, you know?
Okay.
He just jerk it like chicken. Jerk it like chicken.
Chicken back, chicken
Yeah.
foot. chicken leg.
I could go in this way and then we'll come back round. Yeah. Are you ready? I'm gonna go walk till the legs tired and tomorrow. Yay, yay.
Alright, so tomorrow we have
all remittance. I love you all. God bless you. We love you. What you're gonna do, you're gonna help the people. People love you. Alright.
Okay, now. You just one. How you doing?
Yeah, just tell her. So we're gonna show you Simeon Bar.
Let me get you. Alright? So tell everybody.
Don't miss. Mine is step. It's mine then.
This is very nice.
Yeah.
My God, man. Nice place. Whenever they come, remember we're supposed to come and we have to.
Yeah. So if you don't want to know private vibes, it's here.
Where is it? She said it's somewhere. Can't even find it.
She's about an 8.
She's an 8?
Yeah, looks like
Alright guys, so we're just walking through. We'll just stop right here at our driver Simeon, and that's his bar and lounge. So we'll just stop by and in there, enjoying himself. So we're gonna go around and come back around the headquarters, and then now we're gonna bring them back to the to where they're staying at the hotel, and then wait on the
They're the ones driving.
kids then, right?
Yes, yeah, those little kids.
Natisha, hot girl, man. Hot girl, Natisha, resort baby.
Get out the road.
Younger Dennis.
Come here. My God, look how big the baby is. Remember we came last year?
Yeah, last year she was pregnant.
Yeah.
Right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. These kids are pretty stuff. Talia? It's dressing here right here.
Oh, he not got the camera.
Just out of.
Guys, look at the baby.
I saw my people.
Oh, Shaga work.
Yeah.
Wow, you're working 9 to 5. Oh. Okay, I understand, man. Yeah. Big people there. Tomorrow, the thing.
Yeah, no, man. Go ahead, my dad.
I start from 9, so we're ready from early to set up and everything. Mama! But a good thing you don't walk up because you know I get for work tomorrow.
Whoa, look here. Whoa, listen, Pat. We didn't even recognize my girl. Whoa.
She turned grandma now.
Wow. Oh, what is it?
Body a ton grand.
Somebody like their
Father for the year live there.
Father of the year.
Yeah.
My little one, I have to go to street.
Janet. Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
We have to speed up the water now. We have to speed up the water now, guys, because it's getting dark and they want to go and check in. Giving them the experience of coming through the trenches.
Okay.
You know? So guys, so remember please to look down. Remember please to look down, right?
Yes. Oh, we came out to another street.
Please to look down, please to look down.
Yes, sir.
Please to look down. Yeah. Come through. Please to look down. Giving you guys the experience through the trenches.
Whoa, we are going through the trenches, guys.
Please to look down. Keep to your left. Keep to your left, Sammy.
Keep to your left.
Keep to your left. Nice.
So this is trench top. We are going through the
Careful.
Going through the trenches.
Extremely careful. Careful.
Yeah.
Keep to the left.
All the gates. So all the gate while you're coming through.
Okay.
We're going this way.
Oh, this
Cleopatra. This way.
To the right.
So
Watch out.
watch your step.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
So this is where everyone has to walk like this in the night, so everyone know the walk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is the lifestyle. So we're gonna end up on the next street.
Oh. You know the shortcut.
Yeah, the shortcut. Yeah, bless it, bless it. So we're coming from one street onto the next. So ta-da! One. Yeah, going through one more. We just passed Wow Chef home.
Oh, yeah.
So come. Master Jackson.
Yeah. Up the way I come from, me, my boy. What the hell?
Yeah. Them gone?
No. Boy, when I take it up, I'm going to put them say, I'm lying, I'm lying to my woman. You are right. I'm lying.
Okay.
Yeah, just put up there. Okay, alright. Take the money right.
Oh. Yeah. So we're on 5th Street. So no more trenches. From last year. Yeah, so now you have dental. Yeah.
So come tomorrow, we have the dentist, we have everybody.
Yeah. Come on, so no more trenches.
No more trenches.
Yeah. How's your feet? You look tired. You good? Everyone alright?
I'm fine. I wear my sneakers.
Yeah. Push on.
I was about to wear flats, and I'm thinking, oh, I wear
Yeah. Alright guys, so
This is such an experience.
alright guys, so everyone, this is it. So you know where you are.
I know where we are.
So
We're
tomorrow.
where that shop was. The
Yeah.
shop with the pink top. It was like the family, and then it's along the same street as the casino.
Oh, yeah, it's that way.
Yeah, we're about to hit it, and then you had all the murals on that back wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're smart. Alright guys, so anyway thing goes, so you know tomorrow is the elf fair, you know, so stay tuned for that. You know, the thing goes already. So blessed love. So we're gonna take them to the hotel, you know, for them to relax, you know, get some rest for tomorrow. Because you know tomorrow is a long day, you know, a very long day tomorrow. So blessed love. Yeah. It's a big tent. A 20 by 20. This is a big tent, man.
Yes, it is. How's it going to work with the light wires?
They're not gonna make it work.
Okay. Jesus.
So that means the tent could hold inside there.
No, definitely not.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put in the AC right here.
The AC, let's set up the AC.
Yeah.
Very good. Yes.
So the AC I set up right there.
Very good. Very good. Sure. Very good. Yeah. Yes. You know, one day at a time.
Yeah.
But you know, our goal is eventually to have a permanent
Yeah.
place down here. Very nice. And they're putting up it. Yes.
Never became one of the electrical wires.
So they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
No, said, yeah. So when we're ready, then come, let's go head to the hotel then.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys, come, let's go to the hotel now.
Tomorrow's up 30 grand, some sofa, I'm gonna drop them off. Yeah, man, yeah, they will circle back.
Yeah, want to start with food early. You have fish for me, right?
Yeah, we're gonna get fish roast, man.
Fish? Yeah,
Yeah. Roast corn.
We don't get corn.
We can get corn, we try and get corn.
Jelly, sell corn.
Oh, yes, roast corn.
Jelly and sell corn. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.